Hi, in this video, we will see arithmetic operators in Java. So in one of our previous videos, we have seen what are operators in Java. So in that, this is one of the topics. So we will discuss in detail about this arithmetic operators. So these are all arithmetic operators in Java: plus, minus, star, slash, and modulo. So plus is for addition, minus is for subtraction, the star is for multiplication, slash is for division, modulo is for modulo. Okay, so let me go to the Visual Studio Code. So I have created one class called arithmetic operators.java. Okay, so inside this, we will try to write some arithmetic expressions. Okay, so I'll take int a is equals to 10. Okay, int b is equals to 20. Okay, int a is equals to 10, b is equals to 20. Now I want to add these two using one of the arithmetic operators using that is called plus. So system dot out dot println, inside this a plus b, and each statement will terminate with this semicolon. Okay, so now int a is equals to 10, int b is equals to 20, and then system dot out dot println a plus b. So plus is addition arithmetic operator. So if I try to compile this, what could be the output for this? 10 plus 20, it should print 30. Okay, it should print 30. So Java C arithmetic operators.java. So it compiled, and after compilation, you see that class file created, dot class file created. Now I'll execute Java arithmetic operators. You should not use class, only till here. So when you hit enter, Java arithmetic operators. What is the problem? Let me see. So there is a typo. I did some E here, but there is no. It should be like this. So I did again. I'll copy, paste here. You see that 30. Okay. So a plus b 30 we are expecting. Here we got 30. The same way we will write a few more and we'll see we are getting the same output or not. Okay. So let me copy paste. So there is no need to store something like the int a equals to 10 and then only use this one. We can directly do 10 plus 20 here also. Okay. The purpose of storing here it is, if I need the same variable in multiple places, same value, I can use that variable. Okay. For what you say, like learning purpose, we can directly write here. So what I'll say, 100 minus 50. Okay. What could be the answer? It will be 50. So again here, I'll say 10 into 20. Okay. 10 into means star 20. What could be the output? 200. It should print 200. And the same way here, 100 slash 10. 100 slash 10 means 100 divided by 10. It will be 10. And again, one more thing we'll take. So 55 percentile means modulo divided by 10. Okay, what could be the output for this? 10 5 ja 55, then it will be 5. Okay, let me save this. Save this. So let me compile. So let me execute. You see that first 30 because of a plus b and 10 plus 20. The third one is 50, and then this is 200, and again 10, and then 5. We are getting exact what we are expecting, right? So this is how you can use arithmetic operators between two these integers. Okay, it might be float, it might be double, long, whatever it is, but you can do something like this. Okay, so what could be the possible interview questions? They may ask, what are Java operators? Can you explain about arithmetic operators? How many are there? How to use? Okay, these type of questions you may face. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you.